It is recommended that every organization file its PoSH Annual Report by January 31st each year, covering data from January 1st to December 31st of the previous year. While the POSH Act does not mandate a strict filing deadline, timely submission ensures compliance and reflects your organization's commitment to a safe and respectful workplace. The annual report should include details of the internal committee, number of complaints received, number of complaints resolved, and cases pending for over 90 days. Awareness initiatives conducted for employees and IC members. Actions taken by the employer or the district officer. The presiding officer of the internal committee must file the report to the district officer. If an organization has offices with more than 10 employees in different districts, each office must file an annual report to its respective district officer. Even if no complaints were received during the year, a nil report must still be filed. The mode of filing can vary by state. It may be done via email or physical submission. It is recommended to use a speed post with acknowledgement or email to ensure proof of submission. Some states may require specific templates or online submissions. This isn't just paperwork, it's a legal obligation under Section 21 of the POSH Act. Non-compliance can lead to penalties, legal scrutiny, and tarnished brand reputation. Don't wait. Don't risk it. File your POSH Annual Report on time.